Hi, Leslie Khoo here. Well, it has been a while since I last posted a video. A few months ago, I thought I should review the channel's categories to make it more organized. I knew my channel must have videos about writing and books because I'm an author. But I also knew there were things that I was interested in and wanted to share. So during the past months, I reviewed the content categories or types of my YouTube channel. Clearly, the channel must have more categories. Of course, not as many as a buffet. That will lose focus. As I said earlier, I'm also an author, so at the same time, I also work on the story of my sixth novel. The skeleton is done. Now I'm slowly adding in the muscles. Okay, let's talk more about my YouTube channel. Other than writing and tech, I also want to share other stuff in my channel, and they at least must be something that I'm interested in. I have eventually listed down the categories which I want to share in my channel. There are new ones, so I'll make videos based on these categories moving forward. And I hope you will like them, find them interesting. And because of the new content categories, I needed some new gears. I didn't have, still don't, a big budget, so I spent lots of time looking for the right gears given my budget constraint. Luckily, I managed to find the new gears that I wanted. In fact, this video is filmed using one of my new gears. After using them for a while, I think I will share with you what I think about these new gears, how they help me or how they don't. I hope you like the videos that I'll be making moving forward. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.